Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about angel cards. With the reading of angel cards, you will learn that angels are heavenly beings who are sent by God to help and protect us. They are often described as beings of light, with wings and an aura of love and kindness. Angels are present in our lives in many different ways. They can help us find the right way, protect us from danger, give us comfort and inspire us to be better people. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of scams and scams related to angel cards. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy and do your reading for free. But if you want to know the angels reading for you daily, I recommend the paid plan with 7-day trial. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about the product. What is it? Angels can also help protect us from danger. If you're feeling threatened or in danger, you can ask an angel to protect you. Angels are powerful and can help us stay safe. One of the most common ways angels help us is through signs and symbols. They can send us signals through dreams, coincidences, or even through random people or events. For example, if you're feeling lost and confused, you might see a sign of an angel, like a white feather or a butterfly. This sign is a reminder that you are not alone and that God is always with you. Benefits. Angels can also help protect us from danger. If you're feeling threatened or in danger, you can ask an angel to protect you. Angels are powerful and can help us stay safe. Angels can also give us comfort and inspire us to be better people. If you are going through a difficult time, you can ask an angel to give you comfort. Angels are full of love and compassion and can help us overcome the challenges we face. Angels are always present in our lives, even if we don't see them. They are there to help, protect, and inspire us. If you believe in angels, you can ask them to help you in any situation. Angels are always willing to help and they can make a big difference in our lives. Here are some tips for reading angels. Open your mind and heart to the possibility that angels are present in your life. Look for angel signs and symbols in your daily experiences. Pay attention to your intuitions and feelings. Keep a journal to record your experiences with angels. Pray and ask the angels to help you interpret signs. Angel reading is a personal and individual process. There is no right or wrong, and each person will have their own unique experience. If you are open to receiving the signs of angels, you may find that they have much to teach you about yourself and the world around you. Conclusion. And if you want to know more about angel cards and want to check the information closely, I will be leaving the link in the description for more information. Be sure to visit the site for free. I'm sure it will help you clarify many doubts. Write here in the comments your opinion about angel cards, and if you have already done some kind of reading. If you liked angel cards, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to read. Try it today and see the difference it can make. Kisses and even the next video.